Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to all of our hearts: healthy communication in relationships. We all crave that deep connection, that feeling of being seen and heard by the people we care about most. But sometimes, communication breakdowns happen, leaving us feeling lost and disconnected. One of the most common communication struggles we face is the silent treatment, or being ignored. It can be incredibly hurtful and confusing when someone we care about shuts down and seems to push us away. But here's the thing. Behind every behavior is a reason, a story waiting to be understood. In this video, we're going to explore the reasons why people might resort to ignoring as a communication tactic, and I'll share with you some practical tips on how to respond in a way that fosters understanding and strengthens your relationships rather than tearing them down. Remember, every relationship is a journey, and understanding is the key to navigating the ups and downs with grace and compassion. When someone we care about ignores us, it's natural to feel hurt or rejected. Ignoring behavior isn't always intentional or malicious. Sometimes it's a defense mechanism, a way of coping with difficult emotions. We all process our emotions differently. Some need to retreat to gather thoughts and regain composure. Space helps us understand our feelings before articulating them. Being ignored can trigger feelings of insecurity and self-doubt. It's easy to personalize the situation and start questioning your worth, but remember, their behavior is often more about them than it is about you. Instead of letting your mind race with negative thoughts, try to give the person the benefit of the doubt. They might be dealing with something you're not aware of, or they might simply need a little time to process their emotions. Use this time as an opportunity for self-reflection. Ask yourself if there's anything you could have done differently in the situation, and how you can approach similar situations in a more constructive way in the future. When you feel ready to communicate, approach the conversation with empathy and understanding. Instead of accusing or blaming, try using I statements to express your feelings. For example, you could say, "I felt hurt when you didn't respond to my messages. Is there something I can do to help?" Remember, communication is a two-way street. Be open to hearing their perspective and try to understand where they're coming from. While it's important to understand the reasons behind someone's actions, it's equally crucial to remember your own worth. Being ignored, especially by someone you care about, can be a blow to your self-esteem. But this is an opportunity to reinforce your own sense of self and focus on your personal growth. Remember, you are worthy of love and respect regardless of how others treat you. Don't let someone else's behavior dictate your own sense of value. Channel your energy into activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Spend time with loved ones who uplift and support you, pursue your passions, and engage in activities that bring you joy. This is a chance to develop your confidence and self-assurance. When you believe in yourself and your own worth, you're less likely to seek validation from others. Developing strong social skills can also empower you to communicate more effectively and build healthier relationships. Practice active listening, empathy, and assertiveness skills that can help you navigate challenging conversations with grace and confidence. As content creators, we have a responsibility to promote healthy behaviors and positive relationships. We have the power to shape perspectives and influence the way people interact with each other, both online and offline. Let's be mindful of the content we create and the messages we send out into the world. Let's use our platforms to encourage empathy, understanding, and emotional intelligence. Instead of perpetuating drama or negativity, let's highlight the importance of healthy communication, respect, and kindness. We can share stories of resilience, forgiveness, and the transformative power of authentic connection. Let's inspire our audiences to build stronger, healthier relationships and create a more compassionate online world. Remember, our words have power. Let's use them to uplift, inspire, and create positive change. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship. It's the bridge that connects hearts and minds, allowing us to share our inner world with another. But like any skill worth mastering, it takes time, patience, and a willingness to understand not just the words being spoken, but also the emotions beneath them. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. We all face communication challenges in our relationships. But by approaching these challenges with empathy, self-awareness, and a commitment to understanding, we can build stronger, more fulfilling connections. So go out there and communicate with courage, kindness, and an open heart. You've got this.
Hey everyone, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's get started. Subscribing is super simple. Just click the red button below. All done? Awesome! And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell your friends. See you in the next one. Bye!